primary market space that we often tell you about. There were 3 listings that took place this morning, 3 new IPOs that have made their stock market debut. Now, to detail for us how the listing has taken place for these new entrants, and now because they are in the secondary market, there are opportunities for you to track these new stocks also, whether any of the stocks are actually good enough for you to probably look at as a fresh also in the listing arena, something that we will ask my colleague Pawan Nahar, who's joining in with all those details from top brokerage houses on the 3 listings that have taken place. Pawan, take it away.
Good afternoon, Sakshi. So, 3 companies, Arkade Developers, Northern Arc Capital, and Western Carriers India, they made their debut earlier today, and the debut were mixed on a mixed note. So, let's talk about one by these IPOs one by one. So, Arcade Developers, so the company issued its shares at rupees 128, and the company was it saw a listing of at a premium of 37%, around 175 odd rupees. The company raised 410 crores between September 16 to 19. After the listing, there was some profit booking in the stock. So according to the Sagar Shetty of Stocks Box, he has suggested investors to book profits and exit their positions. And Shivani Nyati from Swastika Investmart, she's suggesting that investors should book partial profits and keep a stop loss of issue price for the long term if they are holding it in the long term. Northern Arc Capital, so the issue was listed at a premium of 33%, and the company issued its shares at 263 rupees, and it was listed roughly at 350 odd rupees. And the company raised 777 crores from its IPO. Analysts from Stocksbox, they have suggested investors to book profits after a decent listing gain, whilst Shivani Nyati from Swastika Investmart is suggesting partial profit booking in this counter. Western Carriers, which is the exception, the company was listed at discount of 1% or less than 1%. The company issued its shares at 172, and the listing was seen at rupees 170. It was a roughly around 500 crore IPO, and investors should hold their stocks for long term. Is a suggestion from Akriti Mehrotra of Stocksbox, while Shivani Nyati from Swastika Investmart is also suggesting investors to keep this stock for a long term with a stop loss of 155 to 160 odd rupees. So it can be a decent long term bet as per the analyst. So that's a overall view on these 3 IPOs. Over to you, Sakshi.
Okay, Pawan, thanks a lot for getting us all of those updates as well. So viewers, keep an eye out on these new debutants as well to see how the performance is going to be. Of course, we'll be tracking the prices for you on a daily basis to also help you with all of those details too. But in case you've got the IPO allotment, congratulations. And now you have the idea of what are the top brokerage houses really saying about that.